Diyos ko naman talaga. Pati ba naman yung century tuna?
And even if there were, I'm not trying to save them.
Mm. Saan mo na naman dadalhin yung century tuna? Diyos ko naman talaga. Baby mo ba yan? Baby mo? Ba't lagi mong dala yung century tuna na yan?
What do I do? Do I follow Barbie into that scary
Diyos
unmarked
ko naman
ladder?
katabi pa ang...
A truck car I'd like to have, actually.
Your love century tuna?
She's fine. It's Mattel.
Love mo century tuna?
Go back to Barbie Land and I'll tell the Kens what I learned.
No, okay.
Okay,
Back to Barbie
let's
Land.
go that way.
Ikaw lang yung batang hihiga na lang ay nagdadala pa ng dilata sa higaan. No. Ulin. Century tuna girl.
She thinks she's Barbie.